Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this mini convertible. So this car comes with a retractable fabric roof. You also get 17-inch alloy wheels, leather interior, there's DAB digital radio, CD player, Bluetooth, air conditioning, and also cruise control. So let's have a look around. This 3-owner vehicle comes with the automatic 1.6 litre petrol engine. This has 122 horsepower. The car's done under 35,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.